All right, guys, for decimal numbers, all right, a decimal number is any number that is written after a decimal point. Like here now, this is a decimal point. So any number after this point is known as a decimal number. All right. So for the place values of decimal numbers, all right, the first digit after the point, the place value is tenth. Now this is how it goes. Now if you have 0.1, all right, now this point is usually 1 and the rest of the digits will be 0. Now this is tenth. That is 1 over 10 in figures. All right. Now when you are looking for the place value of the second digit after a point, let's say you have another number here. The place value of this number here is hundredth, hundredth, and so on. So it goes on and on like that. So for decimal numbers, their place values begin with tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th, 100,000th, million, millionth, sorry, 10 millionth, 100 millionth, and so on. Do you understand? So it's quite very simple. For decimal numbers, the first digit after a point is known as tenth. So if you're asked to find the place value of the first digit after a point, know that it is what? Tenth in words. Then for figures, you have 1 over 10. If you're looking for the place value of the second digit, the place value of the second digit is hundredth. That is 1 over 100. Same as when you're looking for place value of the third digit, the fourth digit, it keeps on going like that. All right. And remember, you'll be adding th at the end of each value. So like this is 1000. All right. Okay. So this is how to get the place value of decimal numbers. Now let's look at, some questions that are usually asked whenever you are talking about place values. Okay, now let's see some questions on the board. So we have some questions on the board. The first one, okay, let me read out the question. It says, what is the place value of the underlined digits in the following numbers? Right? The first one you have 329467. That is 329,467. All right. So the first one we have 329,467. Now you're looking for the place value of 9. If you look at this number, it's actually whole number. All right. There's no decimal number there. Remember, I told you that the place value of whole numbers starts from units. Starting at the last digit, you have units, right? So if I'm writing out the place values of these numbers, of the digits of these numbers, sorry, we are going to have, I'll spread the numbers out. I'm trying to spread out the numbers. So like I said, this is a whole number. The last digit takes units. This takes tens. This is 100, 1,000, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand. So I'm looking for the place value of 9. Now the place value of 9 is equal to 1,000. All right? Or if you're writing it in figures, that will give you 9,000. Now for the second one, we have 7.5329. Okay? Now 3 is underlined. 3 is underlined, right? Looking at this, I have a whole number part. I also have a decimal part. Now this part is the whole number part, while this part is the decimal part. So at this decimal part, I'm looking for the place value of 3. Now I have 7.5329. Now I'm looking for the place value of 3. I'll write my sign of division, okay? Now this point is usually 1, all right? This is 0, this is 0. Now if you look at this 3, 3 is on the second position after the decimal point. And like I told you, for the first digits, you have tenth. The second digits, you have what? Hundredth. So the place value of 3 is equal to 3 over 100. That means we have hundredth. The place value of 3 is hundredth, all right? And lastly, we have 0.056. We're looking for the place value of 6. Now, 6 is, let's count, we have 1, 2, 3. 6 is on the third position after the points, all right? So 6 is on the third position. Now, we are going to have, this is 10th, 10th for the first digits after the decimal points, right? 10th, followed by hundredths, followed by thousandth. All right. So this 6 will give us 6 over 1000. Right. So the place value of 6 here is equal to 1000. So very simple, right? All right, class. Thank you so much for taking out your time to watch my tutorial for today. Thank you for watching my video. And if you have any questions to ask, or maybe on how to find the place value of any number, please drop your questions in the comment section. I'll definitely get a solution to your answer. All right. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell of notification to always get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. Bye.